Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYear.com, here with our kick-ass deals and new products for February 2021. Okay, before we dive in, it's important you know that first sentence, that took a solid 5 takes for me to get that out. I'm pretty happy with the end result, though. I'd like to give everyone a life update here. If you're shopping for a new iPhone, it doesn't come with a charger. Yes, my ass is still stinging over purchasing those 3 chargers last week. Let's dive into the good stuff now. Stuff we have on sale here at STG, promos, items that are in stock and on sale, and some new products. RS Taichi race suit promotion. This is going to run through the end of the month now. It's been going on for about 5 weeks. This is my personal 306 race suit. I've ridden quite a bit in this one. I even had a little tumble in this one, right? I was racing Max on the Ninja 400. I got my butt kicked by him. Buy a select RS Taichi race suit. They're all marked on the website. You're going to get yourself a free pair of RS Taichi GP Evo R gloves. These things are fantastic. I've ridden in them. I love them, right? It's a $289 value. There is another promo they have. If you buy one of the other suits, you're going to get a free chest protector. That's all clearly marked on the site. If you're shopping for a new high-end suit, hard to find a better brand than Taichi. Make sure you take advantage of that sale before it ends at the end of this month. While we're on the theme of protection, CE certified chest protector from our friends at Forcefield. This is their race ready, right? And why do they call it race ready? It just gets right to the point, okay? CE chest protector, $29.99. Level 2 back protection. Once again from our friends at Forcefield. This is the free light back protector. Shoulder straps, waist strap, the whole 9, $59. You will not find a better back or chest protector for that money. Shopping for a new pair of boots, there's no better pair to own than the Alpine Star Super Tech R. I ride in these, Max rides in these. Right out of the box, amazing feel and comfort. If you're shopping for a pair right now, you need to message us off the website, shoot us an email to orders@sportbiketrackyear.com, or call us at 888-784-4327, Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will put a big smile on your face. It's going to help get you into a high-end pair of boots. Back in stock, $250, our single Temp STG tire warmers. These are made right here in the good old US of A by our friends at Chicken Hawk. They come with this handy-dandy carrying bag. This is a product we've had in our lineup for a number of years now. Every year they get just a little bit better. This is a great version. Tremendous value if you're looking to get into some track days and you need warmers. Speaking of that, here is our STG one-piece race suit. We have 3 sizes left, okay? They're all the smaller sizes. I think it's like 38, 40, and 42 US, right? We've probably got 20 suits-ish left. We're going to do these for $300 shipped. Amazing value, right? Good looking suit, one colorway, logos on the sleeve. New products. The AIM Solo, right, lap timers, the DL, right, the Solo, fantastic products. They have bracketry available to attach them to select bikes. We used to have these brackets available from XT Racing that you could kind of use with the DL. They went out of business. We have a customer and a fellow racer from Ohio that has developed his own brackets. One is meant for, we're going to do an install video with these real quick just to show you guys how they work, right? From 419 Racing. This is a direct grassroots effort. This is pretty badass. This guy's a customer and a wearer racer. Came to us with this product. We decided to add it. He set himself up as a business, and here we go. This is the above triple tree mount. Slides right over your fork tube. The one I'm showing you right now is for a 50 mil outer tube diameter. We have these in stock, right? This is for the under triple clamp mount, right? This goes under the top tree. Lots of adjustability here. We'll really focus on that more in the install video. We're going to do that on the Suzuki. $50, $125. It is a great solution made by a fellow racer right here in the old US of A. So a couple of years ago, I thought it was going to be a great idea to buy a bunch of these helmet carriers. This is a great helmet carrier. I love this thing. I'm going to give you a look at it. We're not going to talk about the name brand right now because I got to do a little bobbing, a little weaving to get these things sold, right? Look at all the padding in here. It's amazing. Your helmet will be so safe. It's ventilated at the bottom, so when you take it off after your track day, it can still breathe and not get all nasty. Got a nice little pocket here. You can put all kinds of things in this pocket, right? If you had an off-road helmet, that'd be a great place for goggles. Retail on this is $40. We're going to do these for $24.99. It's an amazing way to safely transport your helmet. This is one of the personal pit bull stands we use when we do the Moto America racing with little Max fan. Right? We use this front stand on his Ninja 400. Pitbull is one of my favorite brands. Some of you have probably already seen the crazy video where I rip the junk stands apart, show you how amazing Pitbull is. This is one of the most iconic brands in our industry. They were one of the first brands. When I started this company, I started this literally out of my house, out of my garage. I quit my job. They were one of the first brands that I really focused on. I think it was them and Spiegler, right? Hot Bodies, just a few brands. We have a very long-standing, excellent relationship with them. I am proud to offer and use their products. Their business has changed quite a bit over the years. This stuff is all handmade here in Alabama, right? So their manufacturing capacity is basically dictated by their space, by their employees, number of staff they have. They've grown so much that they haven't been able to keep up. So moving forward, you're not able to purchase these online from retailers. That affected us too. We still have the listings on our website. You can look and see if we have it in stock, get an idea of what the lead time is going to be for all of the Pitbull products. But if you want to purchase it from us, you have to do that over the phone or reach out over email. We're here Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, right? We still have it in stock. We'd still love to get your Pitbull business, and we still recommend this product because, as I said, it is one of the absolute best ever in the industry. They've had to make some adjustments to their business. We still want to be a Pitbull dealer. You can come here and buy it in the showroom too, and this is just what we have to do to still offer their product at this time. We'd love to still have your Pitbull business. That's what I got for you for the month of February. We're going to try and get this done every month as we go throughout the year. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself.